morning, first grade. It's time for Number Corner. If you take a look at our January calendar, you will see that yesterday was Monday, which means today is Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. Well, let's take a look at today's calendar card. Today's calendar card is an equation. When we look at the card, we can see that we have an unknown partner starting off our equation. So we have blank minus 2 equals 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's add this to our chart, and then we'll figure out the solution. All right, so January 5th, so 1-5. Our equation was our unknown partner, so that's our empty box, minus 2, so that means we're going to take 2 away from this number, equals 5. Okay, so if we want to make a number tree for that, we don't know what our total is. In subtraction, you always have to start with your total. So we don't know our total, that's our unknown box at the top. But we know our two partners are 2 and 5. Now remember, we can add our two partners together to come up with our total. That's one way that we can solve our problem. So let's think about a story problem. You could be thinking about one at your house while I'm thinking about one here at school. I have to start with this unknown total first. So I'm going to say I have some. Okay, that tells me I don't know how many. I have some marbles. Okay, and I'm going to put a little box around my word some because that helps remind me that that's what I don't know. I have some marbles. Okay, subtraction means we take away. I give 2 away. Okay, so I had some, I gave 2 away. Now I have 5. So I can say I have 5 left. So then my question is, how many did I have to start with? How many marbles did I have? And that's where we have to come up with a solution. All right, so I have some, I give 2 away, and then I have 5 left. Well, looking at my number tree, I know that I can add my two partners together. Okay, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Let's see if that makes sense. If I have 7 marbles.
Good morning. I just want to let you all know.
Now you're going to hear the announcements at
work after you
Hoover
took
School.
Yesterday. If you
Okay,
just want to shoot
so if I have
with those names,
7,
she goes through each morning
1,
and
2,
calls all the
3,
families
4,
of whoever
5,
was absent
6,
yesterday.
7.
So if you just
And
want
I
to shoot
give
her an
2
email,
away.
let her know who not to call, that would be great. Thank you.
And I have 5 left. Sorry about that interruption. Miss Sneddon was announcing something to the staff. So if I have 7 marbles and I give 2 away, I have 5 left. That makes sense with my equation. Okay, I have some, I give 2 away, and then I have 5 left. So how many did I start with? I started with 7 marbles. Okay, so let's do a little updating over here. So we'll add another day in school. Today is Tuesday. So we have been in school for 50, 60, 70, 4 days. 74 is 70 plus 4. Okay. It is also 73 plus 1, right? Yesterday was 73, we added one more. And 74 is 75 minus 1. Tomorrow will be 75, but if we took that away, we would have 74. Today is January 5th, 2021, 1-5-21. Now we get to spin the spinner because we're collecting dimes and pennies. Yesterday we collected 4 pennies. So we put 4 X's in our boxes. Let's spin for today. All right, if you can see, today I spun a dime and 2 pennies. So let's count that together. 10, 11, 12. All right, so we need to take out a dime. Now remember, a dime is this little thin silver guy, okay? And 2 pennies. So 10, 11, 12. So now I can cross off here that I put 1 dime in and 2 more pennies. So let's count how much money we have. Remember, dimes are worth 10, pennies 1. So we can count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cents. 16 cents we have so far in week 1. And we'll flip over and move over to 74. And I think that's everything for Number Corner.